Welcome to Taskade. With Taskade, you can manage anything. Team projects, weekly sprints, meeting agendas, whatever you please. It gives you the power of a database while being as simple and effortless as a task list. So you can work exactly how you want, when you want. Whether you're managing a successful design studio, planning your weekly agenda, or managing work across multiple teams, Taskade lets you do it all, faster and smarter. Automate your work with pre-built templates or create your own. Format and style with headings, highlights, and numbered lists. And even drag and drop file attachments. Plus, you can make video calls and chat in real time. You're not just limited to viewing things in list format. You can display them on a Scrum board, prioritize with an action sheet, or ideate using a Mindmap. Use Taskade on your own, or work with the team to get things done. You can tag collaborators and directly message them with everything you need right in front of you. Your changes are saved and synced securely and instantly across all devices and team members, so you're always on the same page. Taskade, the simplest way to get work done.